Investing one-on-one. Welcome back. Anybody who hasn't been to my channel before, subscribe now so that way you can come again. So, Investing one-on-one, my channel. Quick breakdown of my channel is literally I'm just here to invest one-on-one. So I'm going to make an investment in you, hoping that you also make an investment in me. You know, I'm gonna share my videos and my knowledge with you, with the expectation that you will do the same in return. You see, this is a journey not only for me, but also for you, and not only for you, but also for me. As a team, we could work together. All my subscribers are riding with me. You know what I'm saying? That's what that means. You subscribing, that means you're riding with me. That means that you put a little faith in me, and that's motivational. That's touching. That's very touching. Investing one-on-one. That's touching, you know what I mean? Because I knew if I make my investment into the world and I'm willing to offer some of my knowledge and share some of my tips and some of my tricks that I've learned over the years, that I could gain something. And even if I don't, you know what I'm saying, on a financial level or whatever, I can gain experience. And with the experience, I feel good. I feel good with the experience, okay? When I first got onto YouTube, it wasn't about becoming a partner, okay? It wasn't about views, it wasn't about subscribers. It was about just making videos and putting it on YouTube, you know? That was an interesting experience for me. But I definitely learned through YouTube that, well, you don't always get subscribers, you don't always get views, you don't always get likes, you don't always get comments. It's an experience. So this time with investing one-on-one, I'm basically making the investment in myself when I make one in you, because I believe in you. I believe that through my subscribers, I can accomplish a lot. You know, I have goals, and my goals include changing the world in a way that even schools, that they change their system, you know, that education isn't something that is expensive, but something that brings you money instead. Not something that costs you, but something that makes you money. You know, growing up, the future was always about get your education, you'll get the good jobs. Now it's like, in order to get a good job, you got to spend a lot on your education. And then when you get the good job, you got to prove yourself and pay off your debts. That's not fair. So investing one-on-one, my goal is to obtain as much knowledge as I can and to share it with you, hoping that in return you can share your knowledge with me. That's what the comment section's for. You know, we can have a discussion, a live discussion as well. Or when I'm ready, I'm gonna link up Facebook and Instagram, and we can have conversations on there. Okay? Or we could do live streaming, you know, and possibly we can even make videos together and make collaborations. So there's a lot of potential on YouTube. There's a lot of opportunities on YouTube. There's a lot of people on YouTube, you know, and I want to make videos. I want to share what I got. I want to help everybody across the whole entire world if I can. I just need people to watch from the beginning to the end of my videos. Click like and hit the subscribe, because for one, I need you to subscribe so I don't have to tell you to subscribe anymore. Okay? I don't want to have to tell you to like my videos. If you don't like them, you don't have to like them, you know? If you don't want to leave a comment, you don't have to leave a comment. You don't have to tell me that you like my video or not. You know what I mean? It does help. It is a huge investment, because through knowledge, I can make the changes necessary to improve my videos. But when I have no response to the videos, then there's no change, okay? And these are all test run videos, so, you know, I figured my first 100 videos, yes, I know, sounds like a lot, but it's really not, because I've already done 20, okay? So I feel like my first 100 videos is my test run to pretty much get a feel for exactly what my niche may be, you know? Because when I initially started this account, I thought, yeah, investing, you know? Because I want to learn about investing before I invest. I got to investigate. I got to learn as much as possible. But then I thought to myself, I'm not the only one, and if I make a YouTube channel, I'm talking to one person, chance, you know, at a time. I can have 1 million subscribers, but I'm still only talking to one person at a time. You know, even if all 1 million people are watching it, you know, This is a one-on-one experience. You know, I'm not saying, hey, 1 million subscribers, or hey, 10,000 subscribers, or hey, 15 subscribers. No, I'm talking one-on-one. This is a one-on-one experience, so I can actually get to know who my subscribers are. You know, there's so many times I subscribed to a channel and I said, they probably don't even know whether or not I subscribe. I like the channel, they don't even know if I liked it. And I left comments and they didn't even respond to my comment. And I questioned, you know, what was going on in the video, and they had no response for me, you know. So I figured I gotta do something to change this. And since I can't change other people in the way that they're moving and the way they make their YouTube videos, maybe I can just make better YouTube videos, or YouTube videos that I enjoy, and actually have a relationship with my YouTube viewers. You know, we're all YouTubers, okay? Subscribe to the channel, hit the like, leave a comment. You know, that's the regular routine, right? That's the call to action. Well, I don't want to just call you to action on a like or a comment or a subscription. I want you guys to invest your time in yourselves, okay? When it comes to time, there's a few things you could do with time. Waste it, spend it, invest it. What do you want to do? A lot of people think, oh, I don't want to spend my time, I don't want to waste my time. Invest it. Open up a book, that's an investment. Start a YouTube channel, that's an investment, okay? Ask me some questions, that's an investment as well. Because you never know what I can actually provide. You don't know what I know. I don't know what you know. We could all work together and make something happen. You want to brand something. You want to start a company up. You want to have products. I mean, you guys talk to me. You guys will understand that I'm a big time thinker. I use my brain a lot. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm more so of, you know, go get myself my own business and start it up and make it happen. You know, I don't necessarily appreciate job security, because I feel like job security is only for people who are afraid to take the risk of starting their own company and actually helping people by getting jobs for people. You know, me personally, I look at it like I could work for a company and bust my ass with the application and the resume and showing up and showing them I'm worthy of the job, or I could just tell myself I'm worthy of the job, start my own company up, hire people, give them some work, give them a better position, better pay, a better opportunity, and I could feel better at the end of the day, even if I end up making the same thing I would have made working for somebody else. At least I know in my head that I put a bunch of people to work, that they were able to eat, that their families were able to eat, and that they were able to keep a roof over their head. That's the type of difference I want to make. So I want to make a big difference. I'm not a selfish person. My YouTube isn't just for me. Investing one-on-one is for both of us, me and you, okay? It's for me in the sense that the more I gain, the more I can give. I want to gain as much as I can so I can give as much as possible. I'm sharing my YouTube video with you. It would be a wonderful experience to get you to share with me as well. And you can just start by subscribing or leaving a comment. Say hello. Keep it simple. Anyway, let me wrap up this video right here. Stay tuned. Investing one-on-one is going to get real. My content's going to improve. I'm going to narrow down on exactly what it is. All YouTubers need to understand your first videos aren't going to be the best ones in the world, but do your best to learn as much as you can from the mistakes that you will make when you make your first YouTube videos. And don't be afraid to make a mistake. Mistakes are good. That's what you learn from. Subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon.